Good morning, children. Welcome to the computer class. Children, in this video, we will be learning about different types of mathematicals operators. And this is the last part of chapter number 4, operators. Okay, so let's start. So the next topic is types of operators. So basically, children, there are three different types of operators to perform any mathematical or a logical task. Okay, we can use three sorry mathematicals three mathematicals operators. Okay, name is arithmetical operator, relational operator, and a logical operator. Okay, first one is arithmetical operator. Arithmetical operator, as the name suggests, arithmetic means these operators which are used to perform any arithmetical calculations in a program. Okay, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Okay, are often needed during the program. Okay, so arithmetic operator which are used to perform any mathematical or arithmetical calculations. Okay, next one is relational operator. Relational operator show the relationship between two operands. Okay, relational operators show the relationship between the two operands, or it's compare the value of variable. Okay, compare the value of the variables and result in the term of true or a false. Okay, look at this chart. So in this chart here, these symbols are known as relational operator. Okay, so first one is less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, equal to, and not equal to. So these are the symbols of a relational operator. It shows the relationship between two operands. For example, A is less than B. Okay, A is greater than B, A less than or equal to B. So here less than, greater than, less than or equal to, these are relational operator. Okay, so the relationship between these two operands, or these two operands, A or a B. Okay, these operators are important. Logical operator. Okay, logical operator, there are three types of logical operators are used in Java. Okay, first one is AND operator, second OR, and third one is NOT operator. AND or a NOT. So these operators, they are true or false depending upon the outcome of different expressions. Okay, look at the symbols for AND, OR, and NOT operator. So the symbol for AND operator is this one, and for OR operator this one, and for NOT operator is this one. Okay, and or a not. Okay, and the precedence means the of logical operator is not, and or. Okay, this is the priority level. It is also known as priority level. Okay, not, then and then or operator. Okay, now the first one is logical operator. So this operator is used to combine two or more than two expression or a conditional expression. Okay, and its result will be true if any one of more condition is true, otherwise false. Okay, in other language, if any one condition is true, then output is true, otherwise false in logical or operator. Okay, yes, sorry, yes, look at this example. So in this example, 5 is greater than 4, or 8 is greater than 12. Okay, so 5 is greater than 12, it means it is true, and 8 is greater than 12, it means this one is false, but output will be true. Why? Because this is the OR operator. Okay, because this is the OR operator, and you know that in OR operator, if any one condition is true, then output is true. So your first condition is true, second condition is false, but the first condition is true. If any one condition is true, it means its result will be true. Okay, and second example, 3 is greater than 7. 3 is greater than 7, it means this is the false, but 5 is less than equal to 4. Okay, its condition, this expression is also false. Okay, so here both condition is false, then output will be false. Okay, so in OR operator, if any one condition is true, then output is true, otherwise false. Okay, now next one is logical operator. Logical operator is also used for combine two or more than two expression, but here the condition is when both condition is true, then output is true. When both condition is true, then output is true, otherwise false. Okay, look at this example. So in this example, 5 is greater than 3. Okay, it means it's true, and 3 less than equal to 5, it means true. Here the both condition is true, then output is true. But in second condition, 6 equal to 6, it means it's true, and 3 is greater than true, it is also true, so result will be true. Okay, but in third example, 5 not equal to 5. Okay, so this is the false statement. Okay, and 4 equal to 4, it is the true, but one condition is false, then output will be false, because here we use the AND operator, and AND operator check when both condition is true, then output is true, otherwise false. Okay, next, logical NOT operator. So logical NOT operator is used when you want to reverse the result of any expressions. Okay, it is also known as complement operator. Okay, complement operator. For example, look at this. So here, not equal to 8 greater than 3. Okay, tell me, 8 is greater than 3, it means result is true. Okay, the condition is true, but when we use here not operator, okay, then condition will be false. Okay, similar for 5 is less than 7. Okay, so this condition is true. Okay, but when we use not operator is here, then condition will be false. Okay, children, so logical not operator is basically used when we want to reverse the result of any expressions. Okay, now the last topic is hierarchy of operator. Sorry, yes, hierarchy means it is the order of precedence. Okay, for any operator. So in computer science, use precedence of binary operators similar in the mathematics. In mathematics we use the BODMAS rule. Okay, B for bracket, E for exponent, okay, D for division, multiplication, addition. So similarly we use hierarchy for operator in computer science. Okay, so it means the first from top to bottom. Okay, look at this chart. Sorry. Okay, look at this. This is the hierarchy order. Okay, for operator. Okay, children, so here the important point is the multiplication and division have the same precedence. Okay, addition and subtraction is performed similarly. This means that the operator which appear first from the left outside expression will be operated first. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.